Yeah, BellyFX. Let's get to BellyFX. BellyFX, good relaxation. What's his other name? FX Sniper 24. This is um this is the very same person. And the thing is, you guys, Sandile Shezi's career immediately started crashing when George van der Riet passed away. Sabelo Gama, let me give you a little bit context on that. Yes, all of us have seen George van der Riet and stuff like that, right? But the reason why Shezi is falling down because George van der Riet is passing away is because George van der Riet used to do this. Do you know what this is a an expression of? George van der Riet was the guy pulling the strings at the back. Sandile Shezi was just a guy in the front, and the reason why, and look, you guys are always gonna like hate on me for it. You guys are always gonna like chase me for it, but I'm always gonna say it, and I'm always gonna stand on this, right? Like when you look at with FX Goat and them, North Star, right? I'm not gonna name names, right? But North Star belonged to a white person with black people fronting. Now, that is just one example, no? But there's many people that's doing that, right? Camo, this is not a YouTube video recording in session. This is a live. So, and when you look at it like this, right? How many times did FX Goat say North Star is our broker? We've opened this. This is our broker. But then you go on North Star's website and then you see, oh, but we aren't affiliated with FX Goat. They just promote it for us, right? So why do these people need black people at the forefront of these projects? And I can tell you guys why. I can honestly tell you guys why. When you look at the demographic of South Africa, right? What race is the biggest race in South Africa? Right? It's black people. Let's be real. So, with that said, they can't, I won't say they can't use, they can't use, it's an easy marketing tool, 100% correct there, Katlego. But I just want to give a little bit in depth on that. They can't use white people because white people is just gonna appeal to white people, and other white people aren't as closed-minded about these things. They look into stuff before they put their money into things, right? I wish you guys can see Afrikaans TikTok with Trunique and how Trunique and all of these guys that's selling robots, how they are going like these guys do their research, right? They can't use colored people because at the moment colored people is getting into that groove type of vibe. So financially or pushing financial freedom would not be for colored people, right? They are also still in the minority. But when you put the black people a black person at the forefront, and you guys must understand, all of this has to do with how our minds has been shaped as sorry, from anyone to shy away from this conversation. I don't want anyone to feel like I'm attacking this race and that race, and then black people is like beneath them, right? That is what apartheid taught us, no? But now when you look at it like that, when these people that's behind the scenes, these white people that's behind the scenes, when they are 2019 full infect, late 2020, March 2020, COVID happened, right? So if he's talking about the SRD grants, and we know for a fact, Montla has been acting like a rich person way before 2020. So it cannot be that. It most definitely cannot be that. So he's talking about people that's getting grants. So now my thing is this. How are you sitting there on your perch telling people you used your grants when you know other people that's watching you is also getting grants, but where they are not living with their grandmother, where they have to use that for food and stuff, you now want to motivate them to invest that. Come now, man. Come now. Let's be real. Let's be real. Now, with the remaining 10 minutes, I do want to say, Billy, big scammer, please do stay away from Billy. Yes, don't know how many names. It's BellyForexKiller. It's FX Sniper 24. It is good relaxation. Guys, you do not want to get scammed by this person, because the thing is this now. Whenever you ask them in-depth question about these robots, they won't be able to answer you. They cannot answer you. They don't know how to answer you. So, I'm telling you guys straight up, stay away. That is the thing here. Because at the end of the day, I see this trend that's picking up. People is selling robots now. People is pushing robots now. And the gag is this: none of these things are working. I'm gonna be real with you guys. These people, even here on TikTok, your Trunique, the only person on TikTok that I trust and will send a shout out to is JC Golden. The due where it's supposed to go to. That man takes his robot and he trades on live. Now that is a different sphere of trust. That's a different sphere of trust. That is not me showing you falsified blue screens. That isn't me showing you falsified profits. This isn't me. Nothing. Nothing. That man sits on live and he takes his trades. So the thing is this: we can't predict the market all the time correctly, and neither can a robot. So if that robot was to take L's on live, people would see it. If that robot was to take wins on live, people would see it. And that is why I'm saying shout out to JC Golden. That man is the only one that does this. Now you go look at Trunique's page. There's a lot of people calling him out. There's a lot of people that bought his robot that is calling him out. There's that other older guy that went on about making 40 something K in a day, but he wears this blazer with an old t-shirt underneath. Okay, I don't want to say old t-shirt. I think it's like Guess or something, but it doesn't, like, maybe it's also just the quality of the phone that he's shooting on, but with the thick chain. And I'm just like, dude, don't you know you fucking look like a scammer right now? So I'm telling you guys, this trend that John Cutty have started, right, selling robots, this trend has taken off. It's almost like, can you guys remember when mentorship classes was exclusive? And when I say exclusive, I mean when the likes of Ashley Hastibeer them was offering mentorship. Do you guys remember those days where mentorship was a thing of, it was only a few people that's giving mentorship? Anyway, Matodzi, I wouldn't trust Matodzi. I wouldn't trust Matodzi. I really wouldn't. Matodzi goes to Dubai too much. And when he comes from Dubai, then that man just have a new car. Night Tebza, man, it's not rage, it's irritation, man. It's literally irritation. How are you gonna try and find something suspicious with an entry barrier that's been set low? How? Did HFM say, oh, our investment starts from 75 Rand? Or are they saying that is the least you can deposit? Some people are just, I think they're just waiting for me to slip up, man. How much does a broker make per month? I don't know. I'm not sure how much a broker makes per month. You must ask them. Do you know Ali Boy is bigger than all these Forex games, please? Someone, okay, let's stop there, ne? Someone, JP, if you wanna play now, go play with your mother and father now. Kanala, leave me alone. I'm not the one, my bro. I'm not the one. Or the two. Yeah. So, my bro Pet, I'm really gonna look into that now because I also joined Ali Boys live, right? And for me, it's like, how are you sustain? Do you have a really successful business that's allowing you to give money out the way you are giving money out? Like, what is up? You know? And I've tried entering these giveaways of Ali, but it kom net nie in nie. I don't know if it's just me that's bad luck. I don't know if I have bad omen over me or anything. Because I would see Ali just on that live saying, "Oh, you want so many thousands. You want so many thousands. I'm gonna get in contact." And then I'm just sitting there like, okay, are you a Forex trader? Are you an investor? Are you into construction? Do you play the lotto? Are you a gambler? Do you do betway? You guys understand? So for me, I'm just like, you guys know, no? Everyone is asking me about this three-letter company, no? And I'm gonna ask you guys one thing. I'm gonna say it also. Stop being dom en uitgevriet vir kroon. Kanala. Uitgevriet vir kroon. Kanala. Please. Go on to FSCA's website and see what they say about that, people. Kanala. My life has been threatened for talking about that company. And I'm raising two lighties. But I mean, I'm telling you guys so often, check these companies on FSCA, check these companies on FSCA, check these companies on. But what do you guys do? You guys wait till you come on live to wanna ask me this cock. No, man. Come right. Why are you guys always waiting for someone to take the lead? Can't you take lead of your own crewing? I mean, I have how many videos on my YouTube where I'm saying, if you want to check if a company is legit or not, do these few steps. Why the fuck don't you guys do this? Huh? Or are you guys hanging out for a little bit of gossip? Because there's no way I'm gonna put my life or my family's life in danger for that cock. Like, honestly. The moment I spoke about that company and I got calls of people voicing me, my bro, this man is busy organizing, stay away, stop talking, go and apologize. I did what's best for my family. So I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, straight the fuck up right now. If you are having doubts about the fucking company, head on over to the FSCA's website, no? Then you first check if the company has an FSCA license. That's the first fucking thing you do, right? Then you type in that number, right? If it pops up and the details check out, that's quite. You can move forward with them because that means there's a company that is scrutinizing them with way better financial resources than I have, right? And if they don't have an an FSP license, do yourself a favor and stay the fuck away. Do yourself a favor and stay the fuck away. It's as easy as that. If you see a company that is not FSCA regulated, step the fuck out. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But you guys must stop waiting for other people to lead you guys. You guys must take leadership. That is why I've started that channel, to show you guys, oh, if you want to look if something is a scam, look at these few red flags. If you want to see if something is regulated, go here on this website and you check here. If you want to see the company's credentials, go here. But you guys are constantly waiting for me to do it for you. And that is why you guys are getting scammed. That is why you guys are fucking getting scammed. Kykie, load shedding is gonna slap by me now. Thank you so much for joining. JJ, I'm not talking about trade 245. Thank you. Kazi, ek moes met jou gepraat, man. No, Kiana, we're not even talking about you, my bro. Ashik Suleiman, how far is the coffee? The coffee left because someone that tried to kill me sent me pictures of my coffee, my bro. And they literally was like, oh, so yeah. We know your car. We know where you park. We know where your house is. We can come to you easily. And then I swapped the car. So I have a different car now. And then I currently have another one that I am busy building. A Nissan Almera. But anyway, KK, I need to. Rydall, will you do vlogs at some point? LP, I will. I'm gonna start pretty soon on that. So just keep your eyes on my YouTube channel. KK, before load shedding hit off the lights, let me